Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to go over how to write equations from word problems. So let's go over the first example here. Aluminum reacts with chlorine gas to produce aluminum chloride. So when you're given a word problem, the first step is to identify the reactants, what you start with, and the products, what forms. So here, aluminum, our reactants are going to be aluminum plus chlorine, Cl2, and that's going to form aluminum chloride, so AlCl. Now that's our unbalanced equation. What is our balanced equation? Our balanced equation, we have one aluminum on the left and one on the right. That adds up, and then we have two chlorines on the left, and we have 3 on the right. So to even this out, we're going to put a 2 in front of the aluminum chloride, and that'll give us 2 aluminums. So then we can add 2 on the left as well. And now we have 6 chlorines on the right, so we're going to need 6 on the left, and we'll put a 3 there. So 2 aluminum plus 3 chloride is equal to 2 aluminum chloride. Let's try another example. Sodium sulfate reacts with barium nitrate to form sodium nitrate and barium sulfate. So here we have a double replacement reaction. Once again, what are our reactants? Our reactants are Na2SO4 reacts with barium nitrate, so BaNO3. And in order to balance that out, we need 2 NO3s. And that is going to form sodium nitrate, so NaNO3 plus barium sulfate. Now this is our unbalanced equation. And when we check to see for balancing, we have 2 sodiums on the left, and we have 1 on the right, so we're going to put a 2 there. And then we have a sulfate on the left, we have a sulfate on the right, we have a barium on the left, we have a barium on the right, and then we have 2 nitrates on the left, and we have 2 nitrates on the right. So that is our balanced equation. So a few tips to remember: learn your common compound names. That'll make this a lot faster. Always balance your atoms last and never touch the subscripts. And pay attention to diatomic elements like H2, O2, N2, Cl2, etc. I hope this helped. Thank you.